Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will show you how to use the multiplication command in TIA Portal V16. I am using PLC S7-1200 model 15C DC-DC relay. Let's start. I will go to my software and we will open it here on project. Old project we will open, no problem. In previous lectures I already tells how to create a new project and how to define your new PLC, and in this lecture we will discuss about that multiplication command. Go to the project view and check the project here. First of all, go to the PLC CPU, later on go to program blocks and main OB. Main OB when opens, after that old program we will be delete first, Control A, select delete, and we delete this all. And now we select our in math functions new command that already discussed about calculated finish, add finish, subscription all finish. Now we use this multiplication command. In this also he says when you put it little MUL means multiply, multiplies the value at the in one input by the value at the into input and outputs the product at the output equals in one multiply into. Multiply means which data we will give it here. He will multiply with this data in 1 and into and take it out with this command. And first of all we have to be select here which data we like to use. We need 16-bit data or 32-bit data. I use 16-bit data and int, and here I used my first. Any data you can use, any depends on your value, which value is coming out, how much figures. Also if you like to DINT data use, I will use DINT data, because previous lectures I used int data. In this I will use DINT data. DINT data means you have to use this series MD0. I will take for this my first input, and second input I will take MD10, and I will take my answer in MD20. And that small program I download to my PLC. It took little time because of first time we will start the PLC. It takes for new downloading. First it's erasing all the data and have to be write new files. Oh sorry, my PLC is not in running mode. Wait, I will put my this data in. Now our PLC is connected, and then go to the start search. Now it will be communicating with your PC. When he is find his IP address and everything, after you can click the load. Now it will be compiling your program, and after download to your main organization malak. Continue, then click again load. Now your program is successfully downloaded to your PLC, and now open the simulation And first of all, I will make it this data in decimal format, because of inshallah will be next lectures I will explain to you all how to use this memory addresses. See, if I put it here in decimal 20, and this I put data, for example, in 2, and that will be make it multiply and take the answer in your MD20. 20 multiply by 2, that's answer will be coming 40. Or here if you put decimal and 12 and see, it will be calculate and make it multiply and give answers to the in MD20 24. But question is this, why we use this command in TIA Portal and in PLC? Because of somewhere when we like to use that data in moves. For example, I will take it here my one input from I 0.0. I will take one my input and I will use it here one timer. We'll use it here one timer. I will use this on delay timer, and here which data I will give, this data I will take from MD20 because of this output, yani MD20, and that if you like to see the past time, here also you can put any data. MD25 I will put it here, and here I will operate my one coil Q 0.0. In many long, how much can you like to use and operate the coils, you can in front of this you can operate. Now I make it this download into the PLC. And I will make it my simulation on. And see, this data is 24 MD20 and here is 24. For example, somewhere have needs yani, some time for something running conveyor or whatever or anything yani, when like to be operated, I say when my I 0.0 will be on, after this time will be execute to this Q 0.0. I give my signal. See, my I 0.0 is on and it will take 24 seconds. For example, I will put it here 24 and my time is now 48 seconds. It will here 28. See the 28 seconds. This will be shows in decimal, but if you like to use this timer, you have to write here minimum value in milliseconds. If you write, you have to be, if you need 4 seconds, you need 4000, right? I will take it, increase it here value decimal 55 I will put. That answer come no more I need. I will take it here, no problem. 123, and it's coming, see, look like 6765 any value. It forwards the value here to I0.0. 6765 value means your 6 seconds and something. I now close my input, and when I gives the input, see, it's when completed the time 6 seconds, after it will be execute the Q0.0 6 seconds. And also if I need for more same, like here also I need, when this data comes, here also I need I0 dot, here I need one data I0.1, and I will download first this one, then click load. Inshallah will be next lectures. I will more explain about this data registers and this memory of the PLC, how we can use this memory. See, for example, here 55 and here is 122. If I change its this value 32, and when it will execute, when my I0.1 will be on, otherwise it will be stay here, value will be not forward. For example, see, here is we put 45, and it will be not forward the value to this timer. When it's forward, when you I0.1 will be give signal. See, it make it multiply and forward this value to this data registers. How many data registers we like to use, from where these values are coming, and when we like to execute this value, and after you can see this, when it finishes 5 seconds time, after your Q0.0 will be on. And I think so this is the very simple way to use the timers or counters or whatever when you like to use in the program, you can easily use. I hope you are understanding this lecture, this complete about the multiplication command. If you not understand anything, you can send me email or send the message in comment section. I will give you reply as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.